tensions are currently high across the Middle East and Asian regions. Prime Minister Modi has warned that the country must prepare for prolonged, complex conflicts, making accurate intelligence and readiness more vital than ever. In modern naval warfare, complete stealth is the only real protection. To be seen is to be immediately destroyed. But traditional diesel submarines carry a fatal biological flaw. Their massive engines require massive amounts of oxygen to run. Because there is no air underwater, these ships are forced to surface every few days to breathe, instantly exposing them to enemy radar and sonar. This reliance on surface air makes billion-dollar warships vulnerable. The moment they need to breathe, they become visible targets. To solve this, the Indian Navy is moving away from diesel dependency. Through Project 75I, they are building a fleet powered by advanced battery stealth. This schematic shows the mechanics of air-independent propulsion, or AIP. By mixing stored liquid oxygen and hydrogen, the system generates raw electricity underwater. Because this reaction creates zero exhaust, the submarine never needs to vent gases to the surface. This chart compares energy capacity. The Navy is integrating new lithium-ion modules that store 3 times as much energy as older batteries. They also recharge fully in just 4 to 6 hours, providing enough immediate power to reach emergency speeds of 25 knots. By combining AIP and lithium-ion technology, these submarines can stay completely submerged for weeks at a time, allowing them to operate as undetectable ghosts. Even with perfect stealth, ships are still bound by human physical limits. Exhaustion and fatigue are constant threats during grueling, weeks-long maritime missions. To eliminate crew fatigue, the Navy deploys Israeli-designed aerial surveillance drones. These autonomous aircraft patrol coastal borders for up to 40 hours continuously. Below the surface, they are utilizing massive, autonomous underwater drones, like the 100-ton XLUUV. These vessels hunt for mines and launch torpedoes completely unmanned. For personnel still required on board, the Defense Research and Development Organization has engineered robotic exoskeletons. These mechanical suits amplify human strength. A single sailor can easily lift heavy weapon crates, preventing injuries and drastically speeding up the loading process. By substituting human physical limits with robotic endurance, the Indian Navy is establishing a defense line that operates at peak efficiency 24 hours a day. Coordinating over 140 warships and 19 submarines across thousands of miles is a massive logistical challenge. Doing it without being intercepted is even harder. This network map illustrates the Naval Unified Domain. It is a private, end-to-end encrypted internet that links every single naval asset into one secure system. Powered by the GSAT-7 satellite, the network maintains 99.99% uptime. Across this vast coverage area, an AI system called Envesh actively runs patrols. It uses pattern recognition to automatically identify, lock onto, and tag enemy ships or smugglers. When one ship identifies a contact, that data is distributed across the fleet in real time. Every unit shares the same tactical picture, regardless of location. Modern warfare is becoming financially unsustainable. Standard militaries often fire $4 million missiles just to shoot down cheap $20,000 drones. The Indian Navy counters this with high-energy lasers. Instead of expensive kinetic projectiles, these systems destroy incoming threats instantly using focused beams of light. It requires roughly 150 rupees worth of electricity to melt an enemy drone out of the sky. These efficient laser, robotic, and AI systems are built to protect the primary strength of the fleet, the aircraft carriers INS Vikramaditya and the entirely indigenous INS Vikrant. These carriers function as sovereign floating cities. They push thousands of crew members and dozens of fighter jets deep into the Indo-Pacific. These technologies create a unified naval force. By integrating long-term battery stealth, AI-driven coordination, and high-efficiency laser defense, the Navy has established a networked shield designed to maintain control across the